Hello, my name is LauraLynn, and I do want to welcome you to the Fire Mountain Gems Jewelry Making Studio. I am here today to teach you how to make a lava bead teardrop earring. For this project, you will be needing some lava beads, some silver coated lava beads, some Swarovski bicones, some ear wires, and a fancy head pin. For the tools you'll need in this project, you will be needing your flush cutters, either a bent nose pliers or a chain nose plier will do, along with a flat nose plier and your round nose pliers. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so to start with, we're going to grab our head pin. We're going to start by placing your lava bead on your head pin. Then the silver coated lava bead, which gives you the same texture but a little shininess to it. A Swarovski crystal. Okay, here we go. So now I'm going to teach you how to do a simple loop. You take your flat nose pliers and you're just going to do a 90-degree bend right there at the end of your crystal. So when you first start it, you bend it, but then move out a little bit so that your plier does not crack your crystal as you're making that bend. There you go. Then you take your round nose pliers, just put it right up against your crystal, and you are going to wrap that up and around the top of your round nose plier. Then turn your pliers about a 45-degree angle there, and sometimes I grab this other plier to help me. And you just want to keep wrapping it around. And actually what I do is I go above it a little bit more past of what you need. What that does now is I can take my flat nose, I'll bend this a little bit here, and then I'm going to take my flush cutters and I'm going to cut it right up against where this wire starts to bend. Just get it right in there. You can use the wire to help you see how far to go, and then put your finger over as you cut so you don't take someone's eye out. See, now that's nice, neat cut there. And then I can just take my pliers and I bend it back, and you have a simple loop. So now the next step is just to put this on an ear wire. I have a hidden loop ear wire, which I love, and I'm going to take my flat nose and just bend it about 90 degrees. What you want to see is sometimes it's a little too close there. So I'm going to take my round nose pliers and bend it out just a little bit so I can get my ear wire in there. Okay? And we're going to put it in like that. Using the round nose to seal it back up closely. And then we take our flat nose and bend it back upwards. And that is your completed project. We're so glad that you're here. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you will be the first to see our new videos.